Hey, welcome back to ZAKtalks PIXEL. Today's the day. It is Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro release day. That means today, October 28th, 2021 is the official release day of these devices. Now, yes, some people have had these devices in advance, have had them for quite a while. That's okay. It doesn't take away from the hype. The hype is real. Now, if you're looking to pick up one of these devices for yourself, I would encourage you to make sure you check with your carrier whether there's a re-signing bonus or some sort of deal if you can trade in devices. We know with Pixel or with Google online there, you can trade in devices and get credit towards these new devices. So you can go that route. You can check with your carrier if you're in the United States or Canada, and basically, make your decision that way. Now, as for myself, I'm going to be picking up my Google Pixel 6 Pro later on this evening, and then doing a live unboxing over on ZAKtalks Tech at 10:15 p.m. Eastern. That's 9:15 p.m. Central, 8:15 p.m. Mountain, 7:15 p.m. Pacific. That's going to be a live stream and reaction. You guys are going to see what I think of it. We're going to set it all up. We're going to go through the fingerprint sensor, see what's going on with there as well, and all that kind of good stuff. You guys will be able to ask me questions. It's going to be a really, really good time. I've been looking forward to doing this for quite a while. And we just hit 100 subscribers here on the new channel. I am so happy about that. Thank you, everybody, for embracing the channel and being so supportive and whatnot. This is going to be a fun ride. I got all sorts of things lined up. We're going to be doing accessories and cases and diving into software and setup and wallpapers and all sorts of great stuff. And obviously continually to review the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro and Google hardware when it comes to the Google ecosystem. So let me know down in the comments section, are you picking up a Google Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro? And if so, what configuration, so what storage size and what color? The colors are all gorgeous. So let me know what color, what configuration you're getting. Are you as hyped as I am? I'm hyped. Hopefully I see you guys all later on tonight during the live stream over on ZAKtalks Tech. The link is down below and also up here and stuff like that. Join me tonight. I'll see you guys there. Take care. Cheers.